Hello, creators, and welcome to Creating with Miss K. I would like to thank you for stopping by, and if this is your first time, I want you to know how welcome you are and how much I appreciate you for coming by. Now, if you are one of my faithful subscribers, I want you to know how much I appreciate you. I am honored and blessed to have you come by and watch another one of my videos. In today's video, I am taking part in an open collaboration for a coffee bar. Yes, the Glam bosses are back and they are doing an open collaboration for a Valentine's coffee bar. The host is Tangi Webb at Home Decor, DIYs, and More with Tangi Webb. And her co-host for the day is Miss Linda with Style by Miss Linda. Please be sure to go by both of these ladies' channels and see all that they are creating, the home decor, the cleaning, the cooking, the DIYs. These ladies are fabulous, and this is going to be a fabulous open collaboration for Valentine's Day. They asked that we use the colors red, white, and pink combined or separate. I'm sure you'll get a lot of inspiration for Valentine's Day morning or coming up to Valentine's Day. Also, make sure you go by the playlist and check out all of the wonderful creators who are participating in this open collaboration. Okay, so let's get into the video. I don't have a lot of counter space, but I do have one little corner that I can set up for a coffee bar. I wanted this to be a little glam because, you know, we are working with the Glam bosses. So I brought out my mirrored tray that I use in so many different capacities in my home, and hey, it's already doing what it needs to do next to my red sink. So I already have my white and red. And look, this is what I got for a early Valentine's Day gift. I've been wanting this Keurig so bad, and guess what? We got it. So we're just gonna place it in the tray along with some assorted coffees on the racks. It's coffees, teas, and hot chocolate. So you have an assortment. It's still cold and you want to keep warm. I picked up these containers from the Dollar Tree. They have the hearts, and I wanted to make sure I threw in some pink to go along with the red. I want to follow as many instructions as I can. So I'm going to fill them up with two different types of creamers to go into my coffee or my tea. Truly, I'm not a coffee drinker. I do prefer hot tea or hot cocoa. So my husband is the coffee drinker in the house. So this basically is a gift for both of us. I like how everything is sitting in the mirrored tray. It's giving off the right amount of glam for me. I don't have a blinged out sugar dish, so I'm using this red DIY martini cup. And you know what? Because it's Valentine's Day, let's just put the sugar in it. This looks so cute and romantic. Hey, but what's a coffee bar without a couple of sweet treats? So I pulled out my Z Gallery cake plate and a couple of pink doilies from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to line this cake plate, and then I'm stacking another cake plate on top, and I'm using the red doilies to go on top. I'm trying to work my pinks and my reds to make, of course, a tiered tray. I'm going to add a smaller cake plate to finish off this 3-tiered tray, lining it up with the pink doilies. And here are my treats that I'm adding. I purchased a couple of clear coffee mugs from the Dollar Tree and these chocolate spoon stirs, and I've added so many snacks and goodies to go on this tiered tray for Valentine's morning. Now, I'm not quite finished with getting my little corner together and all glammed out. This jar came from the Dollar Tree, and of course, the candies came from the Dollar Tree as well. They only had one left. I wish I could have grabbed a couple of more, but I will check my local Dollar Tree and see did they have another one. I love the shape. Now, this mirrored tray actually came out of my guest bathroom. I cleaned it up, and we're going to place the jar of candy inside. I'm trying to bring some Glam, some reds, and some pinks. Now here's another platter that we're going to add just a couple of cups of yogurt. You still want to eat a little healthy and give an option. This is coming together very nicely. I also picked up a few to-go cups for the Valentine season, so that way if you want to get your coffee and run, you'll have it in this cute cup. This is how my coffee station turned out. I added a few rose vines in pink just to throw everything together. I love how things turned out. I added some fruit to go with your yogurt or to go with your brownies. So far, I am very pleased. I added a love sign that came from the dollar store, as well as a heart-shaped box that you can put plenty of treats or trinkets in, whatever you choose. But this is how I decorated my Valentine's coffee station for 2021. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I would like to thank the host, Tangi Webb, as well as the co-host, Miss Linda. Thanks, everyone. Have a blessed day and happy Valentine's Day.